Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to open a Ton wallet account inside Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, for this demonstration, I'm going to go to ton.org. So I'm going to open up any web browser and go to ton.org. And now from here, this is the official website for Ton. Scroll down on the home page, and then where it says Get Wallet, click on Get Wallet. And now this will open up Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, go ahead and download the Telegram app inside your Play or App Store. And now from here, I want to click on Start Messaging. And now I've got to go through the confirmation. I'm going to put in my phone number, etc. So I'll get back to this after I've done it. All right, I'm inside Telegram now. So I'm going to head back here and now click on a Get Toncoin. All right, as I see, get or sell Toncoin. You can get Toncoin with bank cards or exchange it with other crypto. So you can get Toncoin with bank cards or exchange with other cryptos. Choose the option most convenient for you. So what I'm going to do is click on App Wallet. So this is the Telegram bot. So I'm going to click onto that. And now this is going to transfer me back to Telegram. And now what you want to do is where it says store, send and exchange crypto assets inside Telegram. So go ahead and click on Start. And then as you can see, your wallet is set and ready. You can start using crypto in Telegram. And now from here, you can go ahead and open up your wallet. So click on Open Wallet, click on I agree to the terms, and then click Continue. And now a little pop-up will appear like this. And now you're inside your wallet. So I'm going to wallet in Telegram made for crypto. So what you can do from here, easy to buy. So you can purchase Bitcoin, Toncoin, etc. You can send to a friend. So they got worldwide transfers on Telegram and are instant and free, which is great to know. And it's convenient to use. So open your wallet directly from the Telegram menu. So if you use Telegram quite frequently, it's very convenient for you guys. So now from here, what you want to do is click on Let's Go. And now, as you can see, my total balance is $0. I haven't put any crypto in here or any Ton, etc. So I can go ahead and add crypto if I want to. I can send crypto. I can exchange crypto. I can look at the P2P markets here as well. And also, if you want to protect your transactions with passcodes, you can set up passcode here. So click onto that to set up a passcode. I might do this. So enable passcode and now put in a 4-digit PIN. And then redo it like so. Put in a recovery email address. All right, now they're going to email me a code. So I'm going to put the 6-digit code in here to verify. Once that is all done, you can look at your transaction history as well down below. All your transaction histories will appear here.